Here's an introduction to using variables and local. First, open up a script. Before creating the variable, you can type in local at the beginning. Local basically makes the script client-sided, meaning only you are affected and no one else. For example, if I wanted a sword animation and I typed in local, only the player who swung the sword would see it and no one else. If I wanted the animation to be visible for everyone else, I wouldn't include local. Plus, including local is great for optimization. Optimization is basically just reducing lag. Now, for the part where we actually create the variables. First, type in the name of the variable. The name of the variable can be anything you want as long as it doesn't start with a number. If it starts with a number, it won't work. So, the name of my variable will be ducks. Then add an equal sign. From there are two basic things you can do. One is to add quotation marks and then type letters. This is called a string value. The other is to avoid using quotation marks and instead typing a number, creating a numerical value. And to see our variables in action, we'll use the print function. So under the variable function, create a print function, and within the parentheses, type the name of the variable. The name of the variable should be left to the equal sign. So that means for my string variable, I'm putting ducks in parentheses. If we did it correctly, it should post the value of the variables in the output when we run the game. And I'll do the same thing for the numerical function. Let's run the game. Just like that, it's popped up in the output. Now I'll show you how to combine numerical variables. So in our print function, we'll type in x plus x, combining two variables. It'll solve the equation in the output. 5 plus 5 equals 10, so we did it correctly. There's also a way to combine string variables. Let's create two string variables to show this. These aren't combined yet, but we'll create a variable that'll combine them. Let's call it 3. Now, to make this variable combine the two string values, we'll use double dots. So add the name of the first variable, in this case 1, then add double dots. Then we can add quotation marks, and then add 2 more double dots, and add the name of the second variable at the end. So to show this in action, we'll use a print function. Type in the name of the third variable, we'll run the game, and we've combined the string variables shown up in the output. Essentially, variables are just shortcuts to reference a value. They save time and can optimize your code.